Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create curved text on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my Filmora application. And first of all, I'm going to add text to my project. So I'm going to click on this icon and select quick text. And for example, I'm just going to type in, curved text like this. And then if we want to create curved text, we can go to the advanced menu. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down until we find shape. We can activate shape, and then you can choose the type of the curve you want to apply to your text. And for example, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and this is how the curved text looks like, and you can adjust it like this. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a curved text on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!